What's up guys, Ashley here. Today I'm in beautiful Williamsburg and we're filming a new segment called Fish Out of Water, where the production team throws me in situations that I wouldn't normally be in. Today we're here with Bud's Plumbing, Heating, Air Conditioning, and Electric. Let's see what they have for me. All right, Stephanie, you can tell from my poodle hair that it's really hot out here.
Girl, I mean, insanely hot, ridiculously so.
Right? So what should people be looking for when it comes to their air conditioning?
Well, this time of year, the systems are typically working overtime because they're trying to compete with these awful temperatures we have outside. Right. So if they have low or inconsistent airflow, that's a big thing. If you go up to your vents and it feels warm or almost hot, that's never good. You never want that. Right. And I would also pay attention to how the outside unit sounds. If it's really, really loud or like sounds like things are clanking around in there, you don't want that either. Oh no. You guys have some great maintenance plans so that people can keep these things from happening as often. Can you tell us about the maintenance plan? Of course. Our maintenance plan covers 2 visits a year, one during the AC season, one during the heating season. It's really, really important that you have a certified technician take a look at your system about every 6 months or so. What happens if my AC shuts down in the middle of the night because that's just my luck? Do you all have someone I can call 24/7? Of course we do. And not only do we have someone you can call, but a real person will answer the phone and get you the help you need. What? And I mean, we are Bud's Plumbing, Heating, Air Conditioning, and Electric, so we do plumbing and electric too. You learn something new every day. You do. And speaking of learning, I hear that you all are going to teach me how to do maintenance on an air conditioning unit today. Well, not me. I have a service tech for that. So you ready? Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Okay, what are we doing?
So here is the indoor equipment. We're going to go ahead and get started with the AC maintenance. Let's go ahead and remove the blower housing door here. All right. Now let's grab the electrical meter.
Okay.
And let's check to make sure we're getting proper voltage where we need it. And I want you to touch that yellow wire and that blue wire. So we have the proper voltage that we need. So next, let's pull to make sure we have a clean filter in the unit. Okay. So let's set this.
Now there's not gonna be any bugs or anything up in here, right?
Not normally, but let's go ahead and remove this door.
Not normally. If something jumps out, I'm throwing it straight at you.
And now we just want to do a visual inspection on the filter. Okay. To make sure everything is clean and there's no air restrictions in the system. Okay. This unit is on our 6-month annual maintenance plan, so we stay on top of the filter replacements.
That's why it's so clean?
That's it. And now we want to make sure all of our wire connections are tight and then that everything is working properly. We confirm proper operation with the equipment, so let's go outside and check the air conditioner.
There's more?
There is.
Okay.
This is our air conditioner for the downstairs.
Okay.
We're going to want to turn the power off to the unit, pull the fan up, and check and inspect the bottom of the system. And I want you to take this drill and loosen up these screws here.
You trusting me with the power tool?
You can do it.
Why don't you have a hard hat on?
You don't need a hard hat for residential.
You mean I've been baking under this hard hat for nothing?
Yes, you have. And let's switch the meter to the correct mode.
That one?
That one's it.
Lululemon. Now are microfarads like tiny ferrets as opposed to big ferrets?
They are. And now we need to turn the air conditioner on and make sure everything works.
Whew. Quincy, I am better at this than you are.
Let's hook up the refrigerant gauges and make sure everything is operating correctly in the refrigeration circuit.
All right, so if all those numbers are right, we're done, right?
We are done. We know the machine is working correctly, but now we need to clean to make sure everything is nice and spick and span.
We?
You.
Me?
Yes.
Oh.
Now that the system's all clean, let's make sure we put everything back together, plug it back in, and get everything cleaned up.
And we're done.
And we're done.
Oh my gosh, I totally got this. I feel so confident now.
We can make it look very easy.
Thank you so much. But for everyone else out there, if you have any issues with your AC or if you need a maintenance plan, you should definitely call Bud.